Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So in case you can't tell, we just started an African theme here because, as you know, Africa Day is celebrated on the 25th of May every year. So I've decided that May is going to be my Africa month. So I will be sharing hairstyles and fashion and makeup inspired by various trends across the African continent. I hope you guys enjoy this new season on this channel, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so in today's video I am going to show you how I achieved this hair and the makeup look as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. So we're going to start by sectioning off the hair on the crown of my head using a tail comb on both sides. And once I've sectioned off that hair, I am going to tie it using a scrunchie or a hairband. So once I've done that, I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and then I'm just going to apply it on the bottom half of my hair. Be generous and make sure you actually do this style after washing your hair, because I find that it comes out really nicely when the hair is damp but not extremely wet. Once I've covered the bottom with gel, I'm going to tie it together using a scrunchie. Then I'm going to take a brush and just comb that gel in. This helps me to achieve a nice sleek look. Next, I am applying gel to the middle part on the crown of my head, and once I have done that, I'm going to take that brush again and I'm going to comb in the gel. Once that's done, I'm taking a scrunchie and I'm going to tie that hair together. Next, I'm going to take an old toothbrush and use that to just do my edges. I find that this actually gets the job done better than anything else. I'm from Zimbabwe, so now I'm taking my Sublime hair in Super Kinky X, and I'm going to take the first packet and attach a scrunchie to that so that I can tie it to the back of my head. Next, I am attaching the hair to the top part, and then I'm going to divide that hair at the top into two. Half of the hair is going to form part of my mane at the back, and then the other half I'm just going to twist just a little, and then I am going to pin it to the top of my head. So I'm just going to twist from left to right and pin in that position so that it forms a little C shape on the front side of my head. Now for the makeup, we're going in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking my darkest blue and I'm just stamping that onto the top of my crease. And then I'm using that same brush to diffuse the edges so that it doesn't look so harsh and so that it's easier to blend. Next, I'm taking a light pink color and I'm using that to blend and to form a transition, and as you can see, it's creating a nice purple color between the two shades. Next, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1 to cut my crease. And then once I've cut the whole crease, I am going to start applying that same dark blue into the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye, because I am creating a halo eye for this look. Once that's done, I'm going in with a white eyeshadow on the part that is still light colored. Then I'm going in with my Essence eyeliner, silver eyeliner, and I'm just going to place that all over that white area just so it can be sparkly. Once I'm done with that, I'm taking my Essence matte black liquid liner and I'm just going to line that across my lid. I'm not going to do a cat eye or anything, I'm just lining my lid. Then I'm taking my Essence mascara, of course, to prep my lashes for the false lashes, and then I'm placing those lashes on, and that's it. Okay guys, so there you have it, out here trying to do African queen things or whatever. And I actually love how it came out, so thank you so much for tuning in. Tune in again next week for the next installment of my Africa Month styles. Thank you so much. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.